So guys, I'm at another work site, another construction site. This is another design of mine. So I'm just gonna give you a walkthrough, let you guys see what's going on the inside. So stay tuned guys and watch till the end. So this is a porch. And here we have the living area. So you can see the ceiling work. So from the living area, take it to the bedroom number one. So this is bedroom number one. So closet space. So this is a bathroom. Space for the shower. The tub to go there. The face space will go there. So I'm gonna take you to bedroom number two. So bedroom number two. So bedroom number two have its own bathroom. So shower, a toilet, and face basin. Also has a walk-in closet. So I'm gonna take you back to the living area. So from the living area, you go to the dining. So this is a dining. This is the kitchen. From the kitchen, you have a back porch. And as you can see, some work is being done. The house is being tiled. So this is a garage. So you have a 2-car garage. And a little storage area for tools. So let me take you guys now to the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. There's a door that leads to the patio. So walk-in closet for the master bedroom. And as you can see, it's a big space. So from there, we have the master bath. So you'll have double vanity. There's a shower right there. Over here will be the tub. And the toilet will go right there. So guys, as I told you before, some work is being done. The house is being tiled. So we have here the tiler, Mr. Percival. So Mr. Percival, how long have you been doing this?
41 years.
41 years?
Yeah man, this year make 41.
41 years. Alright, so
from cement to terrace of them toilet. Yeah.
Alright, so. Yeah. So enough years of experience. Alright, so alright.
Yeah.
So where do you mostly work? Do you work all and what, or you just focus on Manchester and St. Elizabeth?
No man, I work all over man. Neither man originate from Spanish Town, so the whole of from Utrecht.
Yeah.
Hotel me I tell you about.
Yeah.
The right one man to go be to Negril.
Yeah.
Yes man. Back to Cayman Island, Barbados, St. Lucia, America.
Wow,
Yeah
cool.
man. Yeah,
So yeah, enough experience there, guys.
Man. Yes man.
So it's okay if I put your number in the description. I'm gonna add list your number so that person's
Can call me?
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Alright, so
876?
yeah, I'm gonna just take the number and put it in the description.
Okay, no problem.
Alright, so thanks much. So on the outside we have a shower. Well, pretty much a bathroom. A small shower, toilet and face basin. So pretty much if you're outside and you don't want to go inside, to use the bathroom, you can just use this one out here. So this is the back of the house.